Welcome to the features video of cart and order restrictions for WooCommerce. With this extension, you can restrict checkout based on various conditions, like cart amount, cart quantity, payment method, shipping method, and more. You can also restrict customers from buying a specific quantity range of an individual product or from an entire category. Rule-based management enables you to create multiple restriction rules and apply them to specific user roles, date ranges, and more. Let's go to the back end and see how this extension works. Go to WooCommerce and click on the order restriction. Click on Add New Rule to make a new rule. You can add rule name here for future reference. Select the rule type from 6 options: product quantity base, category quantity base, total order amount base, total order quantity base, shipping method, and payment method. Let's select the category quantity base option here. Select a category to add order restrictions. We will apply this rule to the clothing category. Select if you want to apply this restriction to specific user roles or selected customers only. We will leave it empty to apply to all. Here you can specify the minimum and maximum quantity. We will leave the minimum quantity empty and add 5 in maximum quantity. You can also select the range option if you want to restrict customers to buy a specific set of quantities. Select the duration of this rule, after which customers can buy again from this category. If we select 7 here, each customer would be able to buy a maximum of 5 items every week from the clothing category. Furthermore, you can add start and end dates for the restriction rule. Add a custom error to let customers know why they can't buy outside the specific quantity range. Add rule priority and hit the Publish button. Let's go to the front end. We have added 5 products from the clothing category. When attempting to purchase more than quantities, the extension will show an error message about the maximum allowed quantities. You can add multiple rules to add different restrictions for different user roles, products, categories, and more. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.